Okay, we are on Walton Furnace and we're about to go over this cattle guard crossing, but this is still the public maintained road. But once we pass over this, these cows can free range. And so we may see some cows, but this is still the public maintained road. So I wanted you to see from here. Now, I did not come in off of Austinville Road, but I will leave that way just so you can see the two different ways to get to and from the property from both directions. So we're about 4 minutes from the property. Again, I am on Walton Furnace Road. And there's a cow crossing the road. I actually didn't know that there was still roads like this with free ranging cows that wasn't on private property. So this is a fun adventure. Let's see if any more cows are gonna pop out. Second cattle guard.
In 1 mile, the destination is on your left, 2870 Walton Furnace Road.
The road is pretty flat. It's just a little bit rolling, but nothing steep. There's a few potholes, but it's a road that any car would be able to easily go on without having to have four-wheel drive or special tires or anything like that. Be about 10 minutes from the interstate, 81 interstate. You could also get to the 77 interstate in about 10 minutes as well. So it's pretty well located as far as convenience. It's definitely one of those properties that feels like you're out in the country, but you're really not far from the conveniences of town. This is pretty central to both Wytheville, Hillsville, Galax, kind of right in the middle of several different towns that you could pretty easily get to within 20 to 30 minutes. Right here is one of the neighbors. It looks like they've got some broken down cars. Let's see, I just want to make sure you see this. So this is the direct neighbor. That looks like a burned out mobile home maybe. There's another one on that side. I believe they have some sort of wrecker slash junk service. Okay, and here is the property right here.
The destination is on your left, 2870 Walton Furnace Road.
Okay, hang on. I'm going to stop this video and then I will start a new one.